welcome back to another video, and we're making cashew chicken. If you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots of Ninja Foodi recipes. And if you like this video, then hit that like button below. This is going to be super delicious. It's so easy to make and prepare really fast, so it's great, you know, in the middle of the week. But it's also really good if you've got people coming over and you want that type of dish. You can serve it with rice. If you haven't been on this channel before, then just to let you know, I have a website which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. All my recipes are printable and available over there, so go and check that out. You can also purchase a copy of my brand new Ninja Foodi cookbook over there as well. So let's get on with the recipe and let's go and make cashew chicken. First thing I'm going to do is toast my cashew nuts. So I've got my Ninja pot on SEAR and SAUTE. It's the same you would do in a dry pan on your hob. You can just put those in the bottom and let's toast those. Whilst we're just waiting for those to toast, I thought I'd show you some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So I'm using chicken mince, which actually is a really nice change, and it cooks really quickly, which is brilliant. And also you can get these ones. So this one is heck. And it also has inside the chicken mince, spring onion, ginger, and a little bit of red chilli. So it's already got loads of flavour in there. So it just really kind of elevates your dish. Of course, for this you can use plain, it's not a problem. But just thought I would show you that. It's gluten-free, really high in protein as well, this. So we're going to be using the chicken mince, and then we're going to make a sauce. I'm going to start off with a tablespoon of corn flour, and then I want soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. Now this recipe is for 4 people, so if you want to halve this, if there's only 2 of you, you can do that. So soy sauce, 500 grams of chicken mince, 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. I tend to use this one because I can't eat any gluten, so this is a great alternative. You can use oyster sauce in this recipe as well. I just find it really hard to get hold of oyster sauce being gluten-free, so teriyaki will also do the job. Slightly different in flavour, but it's still very, very nice. I've just got the cashew nuts out. You can see that they have got a slight toastedness to them. You don't want it too much, but just a little bit of colour on the outside, so they're perfect. Just going to put them to one side while we finish off making the sauce. Now I want some honey, 2 tablespoons here of honey. Let's drizzle that in. 1, 2. This makes the most delicious sticky sauce. It's just as good as a takeaway in my opinion, and it's just a brilliant stir fry, this one. So to that I'm going to add some black pepper as well. So let's get some black pepper in. I would say 1/4 teaspoon maximum really on that. This is optional, but a pinch of some chili flakes. And then lastly, in our sauce, we need 100 millilitres of water added to that. Give that a good stir because we've got that corn flour in the bottom, don't forget. So give this a really good mix. So we're back over on SEAR and SAUTE. A little bit of vegetable oil just in the bottom of your pot. And I'm going to add in all of our chicken mince. And you just want to break this up as we're cooking it. And we just want to brown it off. It doesn't take very long because mince cooks so much quicker, doesn't it? I'm really a fan of these heck chicken mince. I've used them lots of times for various different things. Sometimes, like for lunch, if I just want to make myself a really fast, sort of healthy stir fry, then I just use a little bit of this. Now that that's really starting to brown off, get some colour, and you can see that it's almost cooked. Got a few lumps that maybe aren't, but we can move on now to the rest of our ingredients. So you're going to want around 4 teaspoons of garlic. Obviously you can use less or you can use more. And around 3 teaspoons of ginger puree. I absolutely adore ginger. So I'm going to be quite generous with that. Now just carry on cooking that into your chicken. Just carrying on breaking up all the pieces as I go. That smells really nice already. And the great thing about this recipe is that all there is left to do is pour in our sauce that we prepared. Lovely, let's get that in. We're going to heat the sauce through. We're going to let it go really sticky and it will start to reduce and just be absolutely delicious. Also add in our cashews because it wouldn't be cashew chicken without it. Obviously, if you don't like cashews, leave them out. You don't have to put them in this dish. But I absolutely love this served with some rice. So just leave this 5 minutes, I would say, and we should be ready to serve that up. I've got some lovely rice in my bowl ready. And now we can serve up a big portion of our chicken cashew nut stir fry. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. So here it is. I've sprinkled a few sesame seeds just over the top. Super delicious. I love this type of dinner, and it's just great, isn't it, when you can use sear and saute in your Ninja so quick. It toasted the cashew nuts really well. Let's just give this a little try. It's gonna be hot. Smells so good. That is so nice. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe if you're new here for more Ninja Foodi recipes. See you soon. Bye.